Hey everybody, I'm back with another video, and today I am going to show you guys the Ordro 4K camcorder. I'm going to show you guys each piece that it comes with, and I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. So let's start with the camera itself. Here is the Ordro video camera. It has this strap on the side where you can hold it like this. And then this part opens. It has a 3.0 screen. Then it comes with 2 batteries. And then this is the case for it. And this is the strap that goes with the case. It also comes with a microphone. The battery charger. It comes with a wide angle lens. And also the wide angle lens case or bag. It comes with an HDMI cord. I bought this separately, but this can also be used with it. It's an HDMI audio input output. It also has a lens hood. And this is the other piece that goes to the hood part. And this bag is the additional, I bought another memory card. It's under 28 gigabytes, I believe. And the adapter that comes with it. And then it comes also with a remote. It comes with another type of USB cord. And here is another USB cord. And then I bought this separately, but I am adding this with it. It's a memory card reader slot if your computer doesn't have a memory card slot. And then these are the lens, the caps to go with the wide angle lens. And then it also has a cap that came on the camera, which I already took those off, so I'm not going to use those. I'm not going to use the cords either. Oh, I forgot. It does come with a stabilizer. I will show you guys how to put all that together. So, let's get started. So first thing first, we have our camera on the bottom. Just slide that open right there. We are going to put one of the batteries in, and we also need the memory card. So let me get that really quick. It does come with its own memory card with the kit. I got it on Amazon. It comes with its own memory card. So you just do the this picture right here where it shows you how the memory card is supposed to go in there, and it goes in like this. And you just push it down to hear it click. Ugh. In there. Now it's closed. So now, okay, we got our camera. Now we are going to put the wide angle lens on, and you just, it screws on like this. So it's on, that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to add the hood on. Just put it on like this. And there's that. We don't need this. Then I'm going to add the microphone on there. It just goes on like this. Like that. And then in the back of it, you just undo this part, and then you just plug it in like that. So that's the audio, and there you have it. Now we can put this on, which is the stabilizer. You open it like this, and then you want to put this on the bottom. It screws in right here. This part on the stabilizer screws in right here. So you put it on like that, and you just screw it in. In there, our Ordro 4K camera is put together. And this is your final look. And then you can hold it like this when you're doing videos, or you can still hold it by the strap on the side. Hold on, I'm trying to work it with one hand. So, okay. So you can also, sorry, my desk is kind of messy, but you can also hold it with one hand like that. And there you have it, your Ordro 4K camcorder. And you could find this on Amazon, or I think I got it for like $179. So yeah, so you could find this on Amazon for that price. But yeah, if there's any other like tech things that you guys want me to put together or test out, just let me know. Stay tuned for next video. Next video will be me testing the camera out and like working on it. So stay tuned for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay blessed, and see you till next time.